Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: power, proximity, and network. Try a quick reboot now, unplug the Fire Stick and your router for 30 seconds. This clears temporary glitches. Once done, reconnect and pick the exact Wi-Fi SSID, not a guest network. If buffering persists, switch your phone to a hotspot briefly to isolate whether the issue is your ISP or the device. This quick triage saves time and tells you whether to proceed with deeper fixes. Next, optimize both the network and the Fire Stick. You want to choose 5 GHz Wi-Fi for less interference and move the router or change channels if many networks appear. On the Fire Stick, close running apps, clear cache for streaming apps, and uninstall channels you never use to free memory. If wireless remains weak, switch to a wired Ethernet adapter or add a Wi-Fi extender to boost throughput. Together, these steps reduce packet loss and lower buffering. Finish by updating the Fire OS and every streaming app. Updates fix playback bugs and codec issues. Then test streams after clearing DNS cache or resetting network settings. Make a factory reset only as a last resort because it deletes settings, backup passwords, and logins first. If buffering continues, test the same account on another TV or device. This tells you whether the Fire Stick itself is failing. If another device plays fine, replace or RMA the Fire Stick. If not, contact your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.